What's up, everybody? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. We're at the Street Stock Nationals, better known as the New Year's Bash here in Dillon, South Carolina. Freezing to death this morning. She's in the high 30s, so just got us a good night of sleep at the True Hotel. So headed off to the racetrack now to get in that long line. Today is practice day. We got 4 hours of practice today, kind of like the Four Horsemen in WCW, but we got 4 hours of practice today. Gonna rain all day tomorrow, so it'll be limited practice. So today is very important, but our agenda today is basically make sure nothing falls off Bittersweet. So if you've been watching the YouTube videos, you know that we just put it back together. So hopefully everything stays. That's all we're looking to do there. Make sure nothing falls off. Tyler and the other fellas will be here tomorrow. We'll start making, wholesale changes and big adjustments. But today, just want to make sure it don't skip. It turns left and it stops. So we got bleeder brakes this morning. That's one thing we found out yesterday that needed to be addressed. So with all that said, I'm freezing. You're warm watching. Let me get in the truck so I can be warm with you and we'll get rolling. Fred, what's this about you gonna beat a man up this morning at Biscuitville right next door?
Broken line.
There's an old man, Mama said.
It was.
Hey, how old was he?
He was coffee. He was Papa's
Probably
age.
90.
And you was gonna beat the hell out of him.
He wasn't no 90. He was probably 80.
Probably.
Well,
She said you was fighting mad. What'd you say? Get his back to the line.
Yeah.
No, he said, "Lord, please forgive crazy people." That's what he said.
Stupid South Carolina people.
No, you did not.
All right, Fred done skipped one fight this weekend. Hopefully don't get tased this weekend. Let's get off the racetrack. Got to stop, get us some of that green handle diesel, and then we'll be ready to roll on. Not in too crazy big of a hurry this morning to go get in line, so we're doing a little bit of that 75 on 95 this morning. Ain't trying to set no land speed record. We just trying to get there safe in the right lane. We have made it to the Dillon Motor Speedway exit. Stop and get us some green handle. Be on to the racetrack. Fred been reading all them south of the border. What's his name, Fred?
Pedro.
Pedro. come see Pedro south of the border.
Yeah, give Pedro your business.
Pedro, you $59.99 a night for a room.
Yeah, they call Pedro. Pedro need your business.
There he is, Fort Pedro. Had to go in and get us a little folding money out of the ATM. Come over here now, Fred filling us up with a little green handle and getting us some of that 93 octane put in that crate motor. Mix it up with the 110. Went ahead, got some of that green handle push water for the damn jet heater we got in there in the trailer. We're gonna need it this weekend at some point, so at least it's filled up. All right, we got us some gas, made the quick little drive, hit the rev limiter in the center of the road, keeps drunks awake at night. And then we'll be turning into the Dillon Motor Speedway. Go get in line down here. All right, there's some trailers lined up. Figured they'd be a little bit more. Bill might be carrying them in this morning. Never mind, there they are. He still might be carrying them in. They wasn't nowhere as many as what I expected yesterday. All right, gates open in about 20 minutes. Go up through there and see who's all here, shake some hands, do a little politicking. Y'all come run a Star Super Stock tour, right? Well, they pulled this in over here next to all the other trucks that's pulling in. Say there's a lot of flat land here at Dillon. They got a lot of trailers staged over there and the big boys staged in the middle. Go up here and wait in a 2-mile line to get us a pit pass for the day. Do a little politicking while we up here, like I said. We skipped ahead because it's so cold. We just jumped in the pit pass lane and $60 person. That is officially the new highest I've ever paid to get in a racetrack. So, well, $60 for the weekend. So I guess however it shakes out, 30 a day for Saturday and Sunday, and then you got to pay $75 a day for practice per car. So, $180 to get 3 people in. I'll come out and pay for the pit guys later, but we skipped the line. So. Back in the warm truck. All right, they're letting us in like herding cows. Everybody's pickup truck took off like a Black Friday sale. So let's get on in here and get back in, get the day started. All right, we got pulled down in here, pulled around to the front of the trailer. A lot more street stocks here this morning. Let's get our day started. I ain't gonna pile a bunch of trailers down in here, so I'm gonna go ahead. I park the truck over there. Once we get everything unloaded and everybody gets pulled in, I'm gonna pull Tyler's truck back out because that's our way of going this weekend. Got some good Tri-County Speedway folks beside us, some of our good friends, and the Cars Tour family members, Zach Miracle on the other side. Let's go ahead and get Bittersweet unloaded. Went ahead and slid in the window, Heck with that riding it on the side. Just get in here and drag the brake. Bittersweet. Get this thing unloaded.
You're good over here.
We got Bittersweet unloaded. Got some Cars Tour flavor beside us this weekend. Doc Miracle driving. Zach's dad driving this weekend. Got another limited late model on the other side of us. Going ahead, getting everything unloaded. We're gonna change the oil later today to make some practice runs. Deciding what tires we're gonna go get. Don't know that we'll mount our race tires today. May just, like I said, shake it down and really hit it tomorrow when Tyler and them gets here. Got us a mess in the trailer, but get that all cleaned up. Bill Flynn, the most absolutely busiest man at the New Year's Bash. What you got, Bill? We got schedules?
Yeah, we finally got schedules out and a new service that we're running.
I did see that. That's awesome.
If you need something, instead of tracking down an official, you just text a number, you'll get an answer from the tower.
You're doing a great job this weekend, Bill. Don't let nobody tell you different.
We're going to be, the schedules are going to stay the same, the order, but the times will change when the rain starts.
We're going to sleep a little later in the morning, right?
That's right.
At least I am. You ain't. You stay up 24 hours a day, New Year's Bash.
It never ends, man. It never ends. But we appreciate you racing with us, man. We're glad to have you.
We got her fired off. She ready to go now for the weekend. Give us some light. Sound like got a little cam in it. Well, we got it up in the air now. We're gonna bleed the brakes on it, because it needs some. More people file in. We're gonna get the brakes. I'll get it out in a minute. Bled on Bittersweet. Hopefully give us a better brake pedal. All right, I get the great job of pump it, hold them, pump it 5 times and hold them. Pump it 5 times and hold them. Give you a look at my view looking around. Nice side window, ain't it? Well, the late models is over here. Fred gotta get the wrench. Mama working her butt off. I'm glad to have such supportive parents. Best in the world. Went ahead and drove Tyler's truck out here. That way we wouldn't get blocked in tonight. That way we can get out as more trailers start to roll in. A couple more rolling in. And Boo Boo Dalton over there, he's been on the Kicking Asphalt vlog before. Real controversial race over there at Caraway. Good people though. Let's go get signed in. I just bought pit pass earlier. Go buy tires and entry fee and all that stuff. Should be, hell, I don't know, about $400. Damn, about fell there. I know y'all seen it on the screen. Walked right off in a hole. Let's get over here while we still can walk straight. Walking back in, get you a good look at all the street stocks. They from everywhere. All from Wisconsin, Ohio, Georgia. Ain't some from Florida. Get back down here to Bittersweet. Throw my costume on, get ready for practice. All right, back over here, gonna go ahead and air up these tires, get ready for practice. Like I said, ain't looking for no speed, just making sure third gear works, fourth gear works, low gear works, brakes work, everything works. All right, got the tire pressure set where I want them. Get this thing on the ground, get ready to go out. Everybody's starting to ramp up. Appreciate the support from Maverick Steel Buildings always, Taylor Satterfield. So I put my costume on, they get the hood on. Hey, back practice up 30 minutes. Mama Judy gonna go ahead and top us off. Make sure we got the right rear weight. All right, you can see it in the neck area. It's full, yeah, when it's in that neck, it's full. I mean, we can fill it up in the neck, but it ain't no necessary. All right, maybe I was wrong. Happens all the time.
I knew I had to have one.
All right, now it's in the neck, so it's good. It's full there, Mama Judy. don't know. I'm trying to find it now, diagnose where the smoke come from when I pulled in. Everything felt good up to that point. Well, that thing went good. Everything went good. It turned. It done what it needed to do. We got to find some brakes. Didn't stop too good at the end of the straightaway, so we're gonna bleed all 4 brakes this time. We only bled the rears a while ago and thought we had a good pedal, but I got on the inside of one of them Ohio boys and I thought, oh boy, this could get bad. So I pulled in, but had a little bit of some transmission smoke when we came in. Not sure if it's just the paint burning off or what, but we're gonna climb under there now and get it figured out. So we're gonna go out one more time today just to make sure. Like the drive shaft was scrubbing the safety loop a little bit. Like I said, we had got to figure all this stuff out today because we didn't get to go practice. So that's what today's all about. Ain't about speeds. Race monitor ain't on. They've already passed out the transponders, but that's for tomorrow and Sunday. So we ain't chasing no times today. We just trying to get a good feel. And the thing turned good and had the hellacious drive off. So Tyler Woodring done a phenomenal job. But he'll be down here tomorrow and we'll tackle it harder tomorrow. We just trying, like I said, today, make sure nothing falls off. All right, we got the brakes bled now. Got a real good brake pedal. Having a little trouble with the front bleed squirting, but we got it now. So a lot better time should be had next time. Let me climb out this thing. Fred dang like they're racing. Well, time to go to the driver's meeting. Let's go see what Ron's got to say, and then we'll get ready to go out for our final practice of the day.
Back it up 2 hours. The gates open at 8 o'clock, okay? Go get you some breakfast. I'm not gonna open it until 10 o'clock. I'm gonna back everything up 2 hours. Because at 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's gonna be raining buckets in this place, okay? It'll make them.
Well, strapped in to go back out and fired it up, went to put it in reverse, and it went no clutch pedal. So haul back out. We're gonna try to figure out what went wrong now. So luckily it's done today and give us time to, if we got to change clutch, we can do it now, so, or in the morning or whatever. So headed to figure out what's going on now. Just climbed underneath it. Think one of the lines may have got caught in the flywheel, so gonna do a little bit more investigating now. So let you know in a second. We found we got a leak somewhere, so gonna fill it back up and see where it's leaking from. It's all over the exhaust. We're gonna pump the clutch, fill it back up, see what we can find. This is why we come today. Well, that put a quick end to our day. The line's leaking, so Tyler's bringing another one tonight from Easley's. 3.5 hour drive over here. Him and Bailey's coming, so we'll get it fixed in the morning. I'm gonna go find out about tires now because I haven't bought tires yet today and it's gonna be raining in the morning. Loaded up, and we can get the car loaded up, get Bittersweet loaded up, roll on out of here. That sunset over there, mighty fine looking thing. Time to get all our bags and get on up out of here. Get it on there, Fred. Mama Judy and Fred done left me. Hell, I was out here politicking. Now I gotta make a run for it they. Hell, I think, I don't know what else is going on. Day may be over with, I don't know. But I'm still high stepping to get over there. So don't leave me. All right, they didn't leave me. I realized I had the key in my pocket. Let's get on out of here. Not the day we wanted, but rather half a day on optional practice day than competition day one tomorrow.
It's going to be raining in the morning. We're going to wait it out. So we'll see you tomorrow.
See you in the morning. Well, that's going to put an end to the day. We're getting the truck loaded up and we going find some grub at the Red Bone Alley's the hope. So go get some pasta and water like Bobby McCarty talks about. So, not the best day, but Fred says his hands is too dirty to be going to the Red Bone Alley. Show them again, Fred.
I got bathrooms.
Now, you got bathrooms. Your mama carries hand sanitizer. Mama Judy take care of you. But other than that, thank y'all for tuning in to, I know I said this was day one, but it's optional practice day. Tomorrow's day one, competition day. So we'll be back here tomorrow, a little later, 10 o'clock gates open because it's going to be a monsoon. So kind of plays in our favor. We'll still get tires mounted in the morning, get the clutch line fixed in the morning. Tyler's bringing everything tonight. They make the 3.5 hour trip over. And might have some Biscuitville in the morning and then right back over here to hopefully qualify in on time tomorrow night. But thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all know what to do. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time. Take care.